heartless. How could you be so heartless?
So hello all. Today as I was going through, I thought this might be useful for you. So because most of you don't have your own computing devices, you do have smartphones. So one app you can go ahead and check out is Python 3. Okay, and just type Python 3. You will see PyDroid 3 here. Okay, I've already installed it. I'll share the link with you. PyDroid 3 IDE for Python 3. Okay, so I'm just going to open it. You can install and then open it. So when I open this app, you see this kind of a screen. Here you can create a new file. You can save the file, say save as. You can save it into somewhere you want. Okay, so I have a thing called Python. So inside that folder I will select this folder, save the name as testing.py. So I can write multiple varieties of code here. So I'll just write the simplest code available to me, that is print and well, where is it? Okay, so hello world. Okay, so once you're done with that, you can just directly run this and you'll see that there is this output on the screen which is there. So you can just go through this, test this out. You can again go back to your thing. You can change stuff. Okay, so when I run this, so hello world, here I am. So you can do this. This will be good for your home exercises. You can practice on your phone itself. You don't need to have a full scale, for most of the stuff you don't have to have a full scale computer system with you all the time. So thank you.